Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker DitooPro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now click enter and right here at the top click add Bluetooth or other device. Bluetooth. Now at the back side of the speaker we have this plug. Just open it. And here's power button. Press and hold it to turn on your speaker. And now it entered to prank mode automatically. We can see it at the device list. So just click on it. And then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!